Good morning. This is Derek, your lifelong motivational coach with your quick dose of inspiration. Are you tired of negative thoughts holding you back? It's time to change your mindset and unleash your full potential. Affirmations are powerful statements that can reshape your thinking and create a positive outlook on life. Repeat these affirmations daily and watch your mindset shift towards success and happiness. Number 1, I am worthy of all the love and success that comes my way. Number 2, I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. Number 3, I am surrounded by abundance and opportunities. Number 4, I am grateful for all the blessings in my life. Number 5, I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. Now it's time to integrate these affirmations into your daily routine. Write them down, say them out loud, and believe what you say. Remember, change starts from within. Programming your mind with positive affirmations will transform your life. Thank you for watching our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content.